Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. In every kiss, in every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 178, NASDAQ up 52, S&P's up 12.5%. Percentage-wise out here, what you had the Dow and the NASDAQ up 0.7%, S&P's up 0.4%. If we go over to the composite, we take a look at the composite. What you're going to see is that the NASDAQ composite as well as the NDX 100, bottom line, approaching all-time highs. The composite is at 76.06. Your high is 76.37. It's up $52 today. You can expect that high to get hit tomorrow. We did $2.1 billion inside the composite today. NDX 100 also up today. We are at up 59 points. The high of the NDX is 71.86. We're 43 points away from it. NDX was up 59 today. Inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness, this is what you had. You had JD.com up 5.5%. Baidu is up 5%. You had Ultra Salon up 4.6%. Taken away from it, Wynn Resorts was down 5, Express Scripts was down 2, JB Hunt was down 1.6, and Vertex Pharmaceutical was off 1.5. We go over to the Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow. Dow is basically still struggling. Dow, we're 1,800 points off the high from January. We are 25,086 is your swing area. Bottom line, we'll see whether we can make it up to that swing area. That swing area was established on the 21st of May. Small caps. We take a look at the small caps. Small caps are still over their high. Well, they're at their highs. They closed at their highs today. We're at 164.71. You've done 14 million shares. Anything over this 160, bottom line, puts you in a whole new range. If we actually go look at the indice, that was the IWM. We look at the indice. The indice is at 1651. And this has been a one-way move. You bring this back to 2016, you're at 943. Bottom line, you almost got a double out here, higher price. Gold contract, bottom line, down $3.50. We are at $12.95, and that's up. That 12.86.80 can get tested. That's the low that was generated out here on the 21st. That's where we did reject lower price at that level. If we look at the GLD, which is the Street Tracks Trust, what you'll see, we are almost there. The low in the Street Tracks Trust, for the last 6 months, 5 months, has been 121.97, 122.37 we got to today. Now, it has light volume, but the bottom line is that this is going to test those lower levels out. Silver, different animal. Bottom line, silver has stayed in its higher range. Silver was down 13 cents today, 2 cents today, sorry. Out at a price point of $16.42. Notes and bonds. Okay, TYM 8. Here we go. Whoops. T. Okay, so we bring the note contract up first. We're trading at 119.14. Now, the number to keep your eye on is going to be 119.11. 119.11, that's where we went topside last week. Huge price spread, huge volume. What we have happening right now is that you pull back today. We pull back with 1.2 million. You're going into 3.4. Bottom line, it still has, we'll see how it shakes out. The way this is still set up, this still could be a potential ABC structure on the way up. The 30-year, we go take a look at the 30-year bond. 30-year bond, same type of setup. U.S., I think I'm on, what I'm in. Sorry, No, I don't want that one. I want US. Okay, US. Sorry, folks. USU 8. We're on the September contract now. Yeah, September contract. Okay, so 30-year. This is interesting too, because so the 30-year is stronger than the 10-year. This is a heads up also, because this 30-year has been leading the 10-year. So 30-year right now, it came down 25 ticks. You did 250,000 contracts. That 250 is coming against 602, and where we broke topside from was 142.14. So that little baby still has 22 ticks to get down to the very bottom of it. So we'll see where that does shake out. If we go take a look at the TLT, the 20-year plus bond fund, what you're going to see inside of that is that pulled back 87 cents today. We did the 7.1 million, and that has some volume on the pullback. You're coming into 9 million, but bottom line, that is coming back with some volume. We'll see. Let me put this on a weekly for a second. Okay, so on a weekly, this is cool. Okay, on the weekly, the number to keep your eye on is 118.99. What 118.99 is, that is the high of the low that was established the week of May 18th. That's how that baby has shaken out. We take a look at some of the, well, here, let's go to Bitcoin, XBT. If you haven't test driven the Nadex platform, folks, great time to test drive it. They have the spreads that start on Monday morning at 8 o'clock. They go till Friday at 3 o'clock, and then they also put in new monthly spreads that are mini contracts. Bitcoin right now is trading at 74.98. That was up $60 today. This has been bouncing along this bottom. Last time we came down from May 4th. May 4th, we're out here at 97.95. You're at basically 7,500 right now, and so it's having a tough time basically getting out of this area. If we take a look at the volumes inside Bitcoin today, bottom line, the volume has been going down. Now, this is intriguing because the volume has been going down as it's going against their lows. You have the CBOE. We did 3,122 contracts in the CBOE. That's 1 coin per contract. And the CME, which is 5 coins per contract, we did 1,584. Bottom line, in both cases, that's light volume. Stay right there, folks. We're going to come right back. Dow Industrials finished up 178. NASDAQ up 52. S&P's up 12. Come right back.